Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Art of Cooking. If you are a mango lover like me, get ready to fall in love all over again. Today, we are making the ultimate Mango Sago, loaded with basil seeds, honey, and juicy pomegranates. This dessert has a cool history. It originated in Thailand and Singapore, and then took Hong Kong dessert cafes by storm in the 80s and 90s. One spoonful and you will understand why it became so famous. We are giving it a delicious Indian twist with sabja, which are basil seeds, and pomegranates. Let's dive straight into this recipe. You will need half a cup small sago pearls. And did you know sago is made from tapioca starch and it's naturally gluten-free and it's perfect for everyone. 2 to 3 super ripe mangoes, Alphonso or Kesar are royal choices. Mangoes are called the king of fruits for a reason. A cup of coconut milk, the classic Thai pairing that makes this dessert creamy and tropical. 3 to 4 tablespoons of honey. Instead of sugar, it adds a beautiful floral notes. 2 tablespoons basil seeds. These Indian super seeds turn into jelly pearls and are amazing for cooling your body in summer. And pomegranate seeds. These ruby gems add antioxidant power and a fun tart pop. Alright, the first step is to soak 2 tablespoons of basil seeds in half a cup water for 10 minutes. Watch them magically swell into tiny jelly bubbles. And here's a fun fact. In India, sabja seeds have been used for centuries in summer drinks like Faluda because they cool the body from inside. Ancient Ayurveda loved them for digestion. Now the next step is to cook the sago. Bring 4 to 5 cups of water to a rolling boil. Add the sago pearls and stir. Cook for 10 to 12 minutes on medium heat until they become almost fully translucent with a tiny white center. And here's something interesting. Sago pearls were originally used in Southeast Asian desserts because they were cheap, filling, and give that addictive chewy texture. Drain and rinse with cold water so they stay perfectly bouncy. And never overcook or they will turn mushy. Now blend 2 mangoes into a silky smooth puree. Cube the rest for texture because we want bursts of fresh mango in every bite. And did you know, mango season in Southeast Asia is a big celebration and this dessert was created to make the most of the abundant harvest. Now, mix the mango puree with 1 cup of coconut milk and 3 to 4 tablespoons of honey and whisk it well, taste and adjust. The honey makes it way more aromatic than regular sugar. Now for the best part, add the cooked sago, soaked basil seeds, fresh mango cubes and most of the pomegranate seeds into the mango coconut mixture. Gently mix everything together. This is where the magic happens. Every spoonful gets the perfect combo of creamy mangoes, chewy sago, jelly basil seeds and those juicy pomegranate pops. And why this recipe rules? Because mixing everything instead of layering gives you consistent flavor in every bite. The pomegranate adds a stunning tart burst that cuts through the sweetness and it's addictive. Look at those colors. The red pomegranate against golden mango is pure eye candy and it is as beautiful as it is delicious. Pop these in the fridge for 1 or 2 hours. The longer the better. The flavors marry beautifully. This version rules because the mix of textures and the natural sweetness from honey makes it better than any restaurant version. It's quick, beginner friendly and guaranteed to impress your friends and family. Altogether, it's refreshing, satisfying and way healthier than most desserts. If you make this, tag me. I want to see your colorful creations. Hit that like button if you are craving this right now. Subscribe for more summer specials and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any new recipes. Next week we are doing something even more exciting. Stay cool and keep cooking. See you soon.